Hi everyone, I'm Michelle from Rockin Cushions, and today I'm going to show you how to put on one of my custom IKEA Poang slip covers on your Poang cushion. And today I have three different slip cover designs. I have two velvet and I have one in boucle. And I also have the three different IKEA cushions that you can buy for your IKEA chair. So hopefully this video will show you how easy it is to customize your generic IKEA Poang chair so it fits in better with your decor at home, or maybe you want it to look like it's not from IKEA at all, in which case a slip cover is the perfect solution. So I'm going to start with the boucle cover. And when you buy our covers, they come in the chair, they come with the chair and the footstool in a set like this. So just going to open it up. And here we have the footstool cover. And here we have the chair cover. And I'm going to start with this cushion that's on the chair right now. This is the cheapest cushion that you can get from IKEA, so most likely you might have this one, but I also have the other two that I will demonstrate as well. So super easy to do. What you want to do is you want to locate the invisible zipper, which is at the bottom of the cover, like this. And just open it up. And then you are going to feed the top of the cushion through the zipper opening. So you just want to make sure that the Velcro strip on the back of the cushion is at the top, and you are going to feed it through like this. It helps if you fold the cushion in half, so you know it can slide in more easily I should say. And then you can see the zipper is at the bottom of the cushion on the back. And you're just going to zip it up like this. And place it on the chair. And now I'm going to show you that we have two straps at the top here, which I'm just going to secure around the top of the chair frame. And this is important because it stops the cushion from sliding around, and it also secures the cover to the cushion underneath. And that is it. That is how easy it is. And just on a side note, all of our covers are 100% machine washable, so you can just throw them in the washing machine and in the dryer on a low setting, and they're good as new. So for the footstool cover, you are going to find the invisible zipper on the side, open it up, and then you are just going to line up the Velcro strip on the bottom of the cushion with the Velcro strip on the bottom of the cover. So this is what you're basically going to do. You're going to put in this part, fold this in half, stick it in, and then we're going to zip it up, just like this, and then you're going to place this Velcro part on the horizontal Velcro on the actual stool itself. Here it is, yeah. Okay. Just like this. And there you have it. I'm going to demonstrate how to put on one of my Poang slip covers on this style of cushion. So this cushion has a bit more of a bolster headrest. It's thicker up here, but it is attached to the cushion. So same idea, super easy. And I am going to put on one of my velvet slip covers, and this is in blue, navy. and it is absolutely luxurious and rich. It has a nice sheen to it, not too shiny though. And the best thing I love about this fabric is that it is 100% machine washable, and you can throw it in the dryer as well on a low setting and it'll be completely good as new. So if you have kids or pets, this is a high performance velvet that will really enhance the look of your generic IKEA Poang chair. Here's how you put it on. Open the zipper, same as before. It's best if you lie the cushion down on the ground or on the floor like this. And then, exact same concept as last time, we're going to make sure that the Velcro strip is at the top, the headrest is at the top, and you're going to squeeze it together. And you are simply going to push it through the opening. Just enough to fit nice and snug and still look amazing. Okay, so give it a bit of a shake. And then you're just going to zip it up. So as you can see, there is no need whatsoever to remove any of the inserts or the original cover on your IKEA cushion. Wow. I love this velvet. It just feels so luxurious and soft. Yet, it's very high performance, so even better. And here we are, just gonna slip on the straps at the top here. And there you have it. So super easy to put on, take off, throw in the wash, and instant upgrade to really glamorize your living room. And the same thing for the Footstool cover. This will just take 30 seconds. Remember to have both the Velcro on the back, on the bottom, and the Velcro on the bottom of the cover lined up. Okay, and here we go. So here we are, matching Footstool cover to the matching chair. So last but not least, I'm going to show you how to put on your IKEA custom Poang slipcover on the, I think this is called the GLOSE Poang cushion, which has a detachable headrest like this. And as I mentioned before, the slipcovers come in sets. So this set has a chair cover and also a footstool cover. This high performance velvet fabric, as I mentioned, you can throw it in the washing machine and in the dryer and it comes out looking good as new. So very easy to put on. For this type of cushion, all you are going to do is insert the headrest first. So this is the way that it goes on the chair. These straps here hook over the corners. And so you're just going to make sure that the exact same way goes into the cushion. So here we go, we're going to put this in first like this. And you're just going to shake it all the way down to the bottom. There we go. So now we have the bolster part inside, and then we are going to follow it up with the rest of the cushion. So fold this in half. Might need to use a little more muscle because this is leather. Okay, so that is in there. I'm going to zip this up. And here you have it. So, as I mentioned, no problem at all putting this on. And I will say the unique design of this cover means that the bolster stays nice and snug on the chair, and the straps secure it to the frame. So all we're going to do is attach it like this, and as well on the other side. There we have it. So this looks stunning. I believe this color will be a hit for a long time to come. And quickly, I'm going to show you how to put the cover on again. Okay, just line up the Velcro, or not. I guess it doesn't matter, as I recently discovered. Throw it in like this. And there you have it. Okay. Stick this in this way. And as you can see, this is a beautiful upgrade to your generic IKEA Poang chair. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, sign up for my newsletter on my website, rockincushions.com, so you can receive more updates about different styles and covers we have coming out soon.